Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are good and safe. Yes, today we are going to see the topic apostrophe. This topic already you have learnt in the first lesson, Finn Macul and the Giant's Causeway, isn't it? Have you remembered that? Yes. Here, the apostrophe is used to show possession that something belongs to someone. For example, Ashi's house, girls' hats, and it is used in short forms. For these three forms, we are using apostrophe. First one, possession. What is meant by possession? Possession means that is ownership, our own property. Here, add apostrophe yes. Where do we use apostrophe yes means if it is singular's possession means we can use apostrophe yes. For example, Geeta apostrophe yes books. Geeta's books. Here, Geeta that is a singular or plural? Yes, it is singular. That's why we are using Geeta apostrophes books. Then, whose shoes these are? Yes, these are Rohit's shoes. Rohit apostrophe yes. It is talking about particular one Rohit. That's why we are using apostrophe yes. Then whose cat is this? This is the boy's cat. Here the boy refers singular, only one boy, but we do not know which boy it is. So we are not referring the name of that boy using the boy apostrophe yes cat. The boy's cat. Then next also possession, but here we are using s after apostrophe because this is a plural noun always ending with s and es. First one, all boys picnic. All boys. Boys here refers singular or plural? Yes, plural. Many. Many of them went to picnic. All boys picnic. They are picnic. That's why we are using s after apostrophe. Next, boxes, lids. Which lids these are? These are this boxes lids. Here boxes, it is a plural one. So box, what is the plural form of box? Boxes. So boxes after s apostrophe. Then parents house. Parents refers both, isn't it? So we are using s after apostrophe. Then plural noun not ending in is. For a previous example, we have seen boy. What is the plural form? Boys. Box, boxes. Parent, parents. These are the plural forms which we use s and es. Some plurals doesn't take a es. It changes the meaning. For example, women, women, child, children, man, men. Here we are not adding yes. For those plurals, we are using apostrophe yes, not after s apostrophe. Ordinary plurals, we are using s after apostrophe. Those plurals which do not take s or es, there we are using apostrophe yes. Yes, children's playground, men's clothes, these and all we are using apostrophe yes. Then for proper noun we are using apostrophe. What is meant by proper noun? Yeah, a name of a specific person, place or thing starts with capital letter. Example, Deepika, D capital letter, Mr. Sharma, S capital letter, place, Mumbai, M capital letter, Reebok, R capital letter, IIT, etc. Possession and proper nouns. Proper noun not ending in s. Add apostrophe s. For example, proper noun that name of a person, place, animal, thing and all always starts with capital letters. Isn't it? You have learnt it already. Same thing, Mr. Verma's cat. Verma that the name of a person, that particular his cat. So we are using apostrophe yes. Mr. Verma's cat. Mrs. Sharma's house. Then next, possession and a proper noun. Proper noun ending in s. For example, Mr. Das. Like that, the proper noun ends with yes means we can use apostrophe yes or s after apostrophe. Both are correct. to distinguish between singular and possession. Another example, James. James, the word ends with yes. We can use apostrophe yes or James after apostrophe. Similarly, the proper noun ends with yes means you can use apostrophe yes or s after apostrophe. Then, proper nouns without possession. No apostrophe. We no need to use a apostrophe there. For example, the Vermas are leaving for Australia tonight. Here, Vermas. We do not use apostrophe there because Vermas here refers family, not that particular person. Then multiple nouns. If it is more than one proper noun, we can use apostrophe yes. For joint possession, apostrophe with the last noun. Saurabh and Mita's house. Here, house belonging to both Saurabh and Mita's together. That's why they are using only one apostrophe for the second word. But individual possession, where a individual apostrophe is used here. See that Saurabh's and Mita's dogs. Here, two dogs are there. One belonging to Saurabh and the other belonging to Mita. So here, two apostrophes are used. Why means two possessions, two things are there. Two different dogs are there. That's why they are using apostrophe yes for both proper nouns. Then years and all we are using apostrophe. Simple plural without possession. For example, the 2000s were a time of high growth in the country. Here it is the simple plural. So no need a possession here. Then singular possessive means we are using apostrophe yes. The song was 2000's greatest hit. Here they are talking about one. That's why they are using apostrophe yes. Then plural possessive means we can use s after apostrophe. The song was the 2000s apostrophe greatest hit. Here the greatest hit of the decade 2000 to 2010. Here 2000 s apostrophe versus 2000 apostrophe s. Here 2000s apostrophe will always have the. You can see as after apostrophe means always it comes before the. Then 2000 apostrophe s will not have the before it. It doesn't come at all. Then for abbreviations we are using apostrophe. Then for contractions we are using apostrophe. It is, it's, that is, that's, where is, where's, here is, here's, you are, I am, im, he is, his, I had or I would we are using I'd, who is, whose. So here we are using apostrophe for contraction form. Apart from this, many contractions are there. Then possessive pronouns. Only class of possessives that do not use the apostrophe. For possessive pronouns, we should not use apostrophe at all. For example, this house is ours, not r plus r apostrophe yes. Yours, not your apostrophe yes. Her apostrophe yes, like that we should not use at all. Then shall we conclude that here apostrophe that is used to show the possession that something belongs to someone. We can see all these examples in short forms also. Didn't, it is, can't. For this purpose we are using apostrophe. We are going to remember those 5 rules. What are those 5 rules? Add apostrophe yes to the singular form of the word. Add apostrophe yes to the plural form that do not end in s. Add only to the plural forms that end in s. Add apostrophe yes to the last noun when something belongs to them both. Add apostrophe yes to the compound of words, that is the editor-in-chief's desk, then father-in-law's property, like that. Means if those compound words, hyphenated words are there, we can use apostrophe s at the end. I hope that you all understood this one. Apostrophe. What is your work means from that first lesson and second lesson, you find out those apostrophe words, underline those words and write it in A4 sheet. Thank you, children.